What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we got a vlog. The homies are coming down from Charlotte to go up the mountain, so I'm gonna join them. I don't want to waste too much time. Let's get right into the video. It's rainy, but it always makes for cool looks up on the mountain. So guys, the M3 has not been out a lot this summer, and that's all my fault. I haven't been making a lot of videos. I took a little break. I'm gonna get back to it though. I'm gonna work really hard, I think, over the winter, just trying to change some things around and make this cooler. Guys, the F80 needs a refresher so bad, but it looks so good. This car's been sitting for a while, so I definitely need to address some things, but that's what the winter's for. While nothing's happening, just get everything done. I mean, look at the front lip. The front lip is cooked, but I love this car so much. I don't know who all's coming yet, but I know for a fact that the M4 CSL is coming, so that's gonna be a fun time. It's raining and it's cold, which makes for great pictures up there on the mountain, but traction, not so much. Whole different story. All right, everybody, so we got the CSL, we got the F80, we got the F87, and we got the E92.
Yeah.
It's very inspiring. You get a lot of confidence in that car. It's like handles so well. It's like
Man, I love the M2. From the rear, man, shit. Thing looks so good. It's so wide. I mean, I know the F80 is wide, but like the M2 just has a look. Especially the F87. The G87, look, I love the G87, but in my opinion, I'm just a F chassis guy, man. The F chassis just looks better in every way to me. In all of these M cars, like 3, 4, 2, all of them. F chassis all the way. Yo, I hope one of these cars doesn't pull up and cuss us out, dude.
We're fucking moving.
Yeah, dude, that's for
The
sure.
guy in the X7, dude,
Oh,
that was
yeah.
so
No, when
crazy.
he took that right-hander and he was like past the white, he was like about to get on the grass. Dude,
I
he
know,
was
he
leaning.
tried and so like he apex the fuck out of it. That's funny as hell. When I noticed. Someone has to have one of those.
Yeah.
It also depends on
And
what
that'll-
tire you run.
Yeah.
Because some tires require all the same tire.
I was trying to keep up, but I get some like weird feedback whenever I'm on the brakes, whenever I'm turning left at like 50 and above. So I was trying to take it kind of easy, but I couldn't help myself.
Like I want it to look very similar.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So we were at the track.
Strapped up.
We were at the track
Always.
going around the
I was
carousel
chasing a
at
Lotus
CMP,
211.
and he's fucking on it, and then he's like feeling for something, and then he
Because
goes
the gun was
pulls out, he's
wobbling
like,
around.
My gun fell under my pedal.
it was underneath the brake pedal.
I've had that happen with the phone before, so
Oh, I was like, bro.
I can't get to the pedal.
Wow, these are way tighter than the
Dude,
regular carbon
I'm too fat for those for sure.
No, you can squeeze in.
I
Once
do.
you're in them, you're in them though.
I'm way too fat
It's a
for
great
that.
seat. I mean,
Even the regular carbon buckets are too tight to me.
I don't even want to know how much.
David ain't been on the vlog in a while. He's a little bit different
yeah, I
on
haven't
camera.
been on this road in a while either.
Dude, I ain't never been on this. This is a great
I
road.
don't think I've been on this part of 221 either. Well, no, I don't think I have. I thought maybe me and those guys were more on it, but
Yeah, this is a great road.
So good, man.
We got
Coming
Ari on the
back-
fucking vlog right now.
Coming back with the GoPros all set up.
I want to
man.
come
What
back
missed
on a
opportunity.
dry day, bro.
Total missed opportunity. That road, like back here leading up to this, when Vince was in front of me, and you have like leaves blowing and like,
Yeah.
oh, dude.
Yeah, I believe I caught some leaves on the way in, man. What's it look like?
Got the money shot. Dude, there's a tree right here.
I know, bro. It scared the shit out of me. I definitely crossed the line.
Oh well. More
I
engagement.
didn't do it that
More
bad.
engagement.
The people be talking
Mustard
shit.
crosser.
Oh, no, I already get that.
I'd rather cross the mustard there than hit the damn tree.
Oh, I definitely.
That's a big ass tree, dude.
I saw the tree.
The tree was like this wide.
I saw the tree right at the edge of the road, and I was like, I'm not taking a chance.
Yeah, I'm not taking.
It's been a long ass day. I can tell you that much right now. This is the longest I've seen David out.
oh, I know, really.
David, did you get a dog sitter today?
No, but I let him out at 12 right before I peeled out.
Yeah, I did the same thing with Molly, dude.
We're good. He's good for another 2 hours.
Yeah.
Then my ass, he's a kid.
I ain't gonna hold you, man. I might have to find me something to eat here in a little while. Yeah.
I need to. I'm gonna probably hit something.
Want some Skittles, bro? Is that new?
Nah. It's the same old, same old.
R3?
A73.
73.
Yep.
That was so fun, man.
I'm about to go home.
You out of here?
Yeah, bro, I'm closer to my house here. If I go
Okay.
back, I go like all the way back to the Burke side. I can run down the road and get home in like 30 minutes, so. But I
Have fun, bro.
after pushing my car like that on a wet road, and I'm here now,
Adrenaline rush.
alive. I'm like, okay,
It's time to call it.
I made it. It's time to chill out now. I made it out alive.
Dude, I fucking lost it in front of the Camaro. I'm like completely sideways in both lanes. Thank God there wasn't a car there.
All right, everybody. So I'm just glad to be home at this point. That was a lot of driving, and I'm glad to be alive. So, following Vince. If you don't follow Vince, he's from Charlotte. His Instagram is Driven with Vince. He knows how to drive. He drives the E92 with the big wing. Most people know him. He's pretty popular on the internet. That guy is hard to follow. I can't keep up with those guys, and my car is really giving me some weird feedback at high speeds. Like if if I'm turning right, if I'm going around to turn to the right, I don't really have an issue, but left, I get this wobbling, like, I can feel it through the steering wheel and my brakes, so I gotta figure that out. Hopefully going to Empowered soon to get it dialed in, but anyways, I guess that'll be the next video, and thanks for watching. Peace.